There's a squirrel!
I can't see you! No, he's gonna come in here.
What, in there?
Yeah.
Planet.
Oh right, this is live.
Lonely Planet.
I think he wants to come up and get some nuts.
We haven't got no nuts for you.
Yeah, we do. This is Emily.
Hello.
I'm Annie. And this is Annie the Seagull. I'm going to do her makeup in a nighttime look. Primer. Nivea Men Post-Shave Balm.
Men.
He's feasting from our bin bags. That's a loaf of bread.
There's a loaf of bread!
Right.
Ooh, I feel fresh.
And we're just going to let that dry for a little bit. We're going to be using Revlon ColorStay Combination Oily. What kind of skin do you have?
A combination of dry and oily.
Excellent. This is perfect. This is in 180 because Emily here has a bit of a tan.
From the bottle.
This is sand beige. I'm going to put a few pumps on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to use to sculpt her cheeks LA Girl Pro Conceal in porcelain. You're going to squeeze a bit out on the end and you want to put it underneath your jawbone. That's not right. Cheekbone. Okay, using the beauty blender again, we're going to blend this down.
In the socket.
Right in there. Because it provides a base for our eyeshadow. Okay, now we're using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, the original formula. And we're just going to pat that all over the face where we put the
Oh, it smells divine.
It's like old ladies.
I like it.
And we're going to bake the face like a cake. And then a light buff all around the rest of the face. Okay, and whilst that's all setting, we're going to do the eyebrows. So you've got dark hair, dark eyebrows,
Yeah.
NYX NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black. And I like it because it's got a spoolie on the end. You just need to brush them up
Okay.
and across like how I'm doing and then straighten the line out.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're using a NYX Tinted Brow Mascara and this is in black. Fabulous.
Brows.
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 Okay, so whilst we've been doing that, the powder on your face has been setting, so we're now going to use the NYX Matte Bronzer in Deep Tan. I'm going to use a slightly oval-ended fluffy brush and we're going to brush away the powder whilst adding sculpting. whilst sculpting or whilst adding sculpting. So this is brushing away all the powder, and always start in the hairline so that you don't get like black over here. You want it darkest over here because this is where the shadow is. Next we're going to take a highlighter, and we're using this like moussey one, which is a peach colour, and we're just going to put this okay, I'm putting little bits on the end of my finger to do that, and then on the nose I'm putting the highest point a little bit further up your nose to make it look a bit shorter.
Thank you.
And then...
Because girl's got a beak.
Next is eyes.
Ooh.
I see you as a lion.
I'm quite fierce. Why are you laughing?
That's funny. Okay. So we're going to start with one of the lighter colours first. So
Okay.
This is the palette we're using, a Morphe palette, and I'm just using like a fluffy top brush by Morphe, and I'm going to dip it in this colour, and this is Orb, which is a lovely name. Head up please, thank you. And we're just going to put this in her crease. Okay, I'm now going to put on Brick, which is this like orangey dirty red colour.
Red colour.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. And I don't want like a huge amount. I'm really just trying to get it in this little crease here. Nowhere else really. Go for a little bit of a darker colour just in the corner there. And oh sorry. that colour's toast. And just in the corner. Don't move it anywhere, just in the corner. Rub it in. It's like a little squidgy one to put a gold on the centre, and then I'll do a halo in the centre.
Halo.
I'm going to use Zippy. And I'm using a bit of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Give it a good spray in. It's going to be cold.
Oh, it is. Fresh.
That is a lovely colour. I'm now putting Pure just in the centre of her lid. Just to create a bit of light. Now we're going to do the under eye, and we're just going to take the colour that we used before, Orb, with a flat brush here. Do I call them all flat brushes? I don't know what their names are, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. I sound like a drone now. Sorry everybody. I'm going. Okay, look up. And we're just putting that colour underneath. I'm just going to brush away any fallout that might have happened. Right, I'm using the Supercat eyeliner, liquid black eyeliner pen by Glory. Yep, looks like that. And the L'Oreal Telescopic one, because it's just
Oh,
a little bit more precise. Yeah.
I can't see if I
It's next lingerie. It's in the colour exotic. Alright everybody, it's here. The blind bat can't
I can't see what I'm doing.
You're like an old lady just there. You push it all in. You just everybody.
Can you fix this please? What do you mean? Is that perfectly 21st century?
No.
I don't know what the big deal is. I think I'm doing a great job.
You do like, you know, princesses, when you draw, like kids draw princesses, they do like the triangles. Create a more round lip. Very easy, but round it out.
On my skin, not my lips.
You don't have to go that far into your skin at all.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Don't make any noises. I can hear when you're making noises. Leah! Go! You're not allowed here anymore. Okay, we're going to take the highlighter that we used before and do an inner corner highlight. So literally tip of your finger and then the corner of the eye. And then a little bit on open your lips. Rub them together. Just like you're done.